Hello, this video is to talk about math competitions at Community House Middle School. You're watching this because your child either attended the meeting on Friday the 11th or was unable to due to issues with Canvas conferencing. So I'm going to give you some information about what math competitions we have and what that will look like. So the big three that we're going to be participating in the fall is Math Madness, Math Counts, and the AMC 8. We will potentially do the AMC 10 in the spring, but we don't know necessarily if that is going to be online or not. All three of the competitions listed above are going to be online, so we're able to do them relatively easy. So let's talk about the AMC 8. The AMC 8 is open for anyone 8th grade or younger. It is an online test this year. Usually it's in person. Calculator inactive, 40 questions, 40 minutes, 25 questions, multiple choice. Top three students in each school get a plaque, but everyone gets to know their score and see how they did. This cost is $6. It's due by September 30th, and you can find this at payforschoolstuff.com. The contest will actually run November 10th. Probably in the morning is when we'll try to run it, prior to school starting, or we'll run it after. We're flexible on time this year. Math counts is a little bit more selective. You have to try out for math counts. We have 15 spots for the chapter competition. That's in February. However, there are practice competitions online that we are able to do, and I think we're able to have up to 50 students for that. For the February competition, we're going to have roughly 5 students per grade level. We're going to have tryouts sometime in mid-October. And there's going to be competitions in October, November, December, and January, kind of leading up to that. Math Madness is a big one that our kids really get excited for. This is a weekly contest where we compete against other schools across the nation. They kind of do it like a March Madness bracket with a few preliminary rounds at the beginning to see where your school ranks. We have 3 tryout quizzes that are going to happen 30 minutes, 6 to 7 questions each. Based on how your student scores in that, they will be split up into one of the 3 groups, theta, omega, or delta, depending on their level of competitiveness. Each team will have captains who are the top scorers, and it'll cost $12 if you make a team. So your student will find out if they make a team after they take one of the 3 tryout quizzes. We're going to keep around 60 to 70 students, and this contest is about speed and correctness. Tryouts are going to be the week of the 22nd, which is coming up just 2 weeks from now. They'll have to take these 3 quizzes to determine where they rank amongst their community house peers. But again, this is open for 6th through 8th grade, right? In the spring, we're hoping to do a spring mini madness, which is similar to Math Madness. There's the College of Charleston math competition that we usually go to, but this year they're doing virtually. Potentially the AMC 10, again, if it's virtual. The NC Math Contest, we're waiting to see if that's going to be virtual or in person and what that looks like. And then, of course, Purple Comet. The synopsis is that the AMC 8 and Math Madness dues are on payforschoolstuff.com under CHMS STEM and math competitions. Only pay for Math Madness if your child makes the team. Don't pay for it ahead of time. $6 for the AMC 8 is due September 30th, and it's open to anyone. Any child can register, 8th grade or younger, right? 8th grade or younger, you can register your kid. $12 for Math Madness. Tryouts are the week of the 22nd, and the money's due by October 2nd. Math Counts tryouts will be in October, competition in February. We're going to have weekly Tuesday meetings from 8:30 to 9:15. We're going to meet weekly in Canvas conferences. I believe I have it finally figured out, so you need to make sure that your child or you are registered in that Canvas course for resources and problems. The next meeting is this upcoming Tuesday. We're going to do a meeting on Tuesday, again from 8:30 to 9:15. And in these meetings, we're going to be doing some math together. I'm going to be giving some problems and letting your children try to figure them out themselves, but also explaining some and giving resources where they could find problems similar to it. If you have any questions, reach out. My email is tyler1.herb@cms.k12.ncs.us. I will try to put the link for the pay for school stuff underneath in the description. Everything else, your child needs to be registered for that Canvas course. If they aren't registered for the Canvas course, or if you're not registered for the Canvas course, you aren't going to be able to sign up and get all the wonderful math meetings that we have once a week. But if you have any questions, reach out. Otherwise, have a great one.